रोजाना के भागदौड़ में कभी कभी अपने बच्चों की आवाज और मौजूदगी को नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं। इसके अलावा दबाव के चलते अक्सर बच्चों को अपनी पसंदीदा श्रेणी चुनने में मुश्किल होती है। जीवन का सार स्क्रीनों में नहीं, वास्तविक बातचीतों में होता है। अपने बच्चों के साथ समय से प्राथमिकता देना मात्र नहीं, बल्कि खोए हुए पलों को उनके साथ महसूस करना भी अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है।
Education is not alike chasing a degree of limitation, but something that amuses the mind with its beauty of beyondness. On a globe overflowing with thoughts of getting educated, many children find themselves torn between their passion and comforting expectation of their guardian. In the era of constant connectivity, our lives is somewhere being blurred between virtual and reality. But don't you find somewhere lies a silent act of trauma, addiction towards gadget? In today's fast-shifting world, it's easy for crucial family time to slip through the cracks. Tonight, we present a portrayal of challenges amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. A poignant narrative unfolds the tale of parental absence and its profound untolds. Get ready to witness a powerful reminder that manifests life's chaos. Now, let us raise our curtains on digital trauma. Noticing the new era before mobile phones, people woke up with sunrise, eager to greet day pleasantly. They embraced the fresh morning air and engaged themselves in exercising to energize their bodies and minds. The soothing of dawn was cherished, and it wasn't about physical health, but these morning rituals fostered a sense of togetherness, unity, and shared purpose within community. Together, adjusting the tone for a day filled with productivity and connections. Observing the new era dawn with mobile phones, the morning scenes has drastically changed. Instead of greeting the morning with spirit of energy, people now wake up by the glow of screens. Hours slips away unnoticed as they scroll, tap, swipe, type, and losing themselves in a virtual world. The shift in behavior has led in decline on physical activities and disconnect from outdoor environment. Connectivity seems to be faded, right? In the era before mobile phone, dinner time was a cherishing moment, a time for families and friends to come together. During the dining time, laughter mingled with the aroma of home-cooked meals, as the loved ones shared stories of the day and bonded over shared experiences. Each meal was an opportunity to bond and touch upon each other's life and strengthen their relationships. Company of those who cared about creating memories that would last lifetime. With addiction towards mobile phone, the holiness of dinner time has begun to fade. Do family gather around the table, but their attention is scattered, eyes glued to the screen, and the once lively conversation has been replaced by the silence of scrolling, sinking into the sea of notification. A simple cherishing moment has become hurriedly affair.
Sorry, kids. We are running late again. I've got a conference call in 10 minutes.
I know, sweetheart. Mommy has to finish this report by tomorrow morning.
But you promised to help me with my science project, Dad.
And I wanted to show you the drawing I made, Mom.
I'm really sorry, buddy. Can we do it tomorrow?
Of course, sweetie. Mommy will make it up to you. I promise.
Okay, Dad.
Fine, Mom. I wish we could work upon it.
Let me see. Hello, friends. What a pleasant surprise.
Oh, welcome, guys.
Actually, we were playing outdoor. Would you like to join us?
Fortunately, we are free, so yes, let's go.
Come on, Alex. We need a player for cricket. Would you like to do fielding?
Sorry, dude, but I'm not that energized to run around the field.
Okay.
Would you like to read this book? It is filled with thrill, suspense, plot twist, and whatnot. You would really love to go through this. Going through the whole book just to read a full suspense. Oh God. What? Are you saying something? Oh no. I actually have a lot of work given by my teacher. So next time, sure. No issues.
What are you doing? Seems to look interesting.
Of course, it is. Actually, I'm looking into the trends these days.
And where do you find it?
Let me say, platform Instagram.
Application like such at this age?
It hardly matters, Lily. Let's join them.
You know what? Maybe we need to slow down a bit.
Yes, maybe. We've been putting work ahead of what's truly important.
Let's make a pact. From now on, we will carve out more time for family, no matter how busy we get.
Agreed. Our kids deserve better than rushed moments and broken promises. Shivayan's parents,
Yes, ma'am.
please come.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
We wanted to discuss our child's future. They have expressed a strong interest in becoming an artist.
Yes, your child is incredibly talented in the arts. Their creativity shines in every project. While we appreciate their passion, we feel it's important for them to pursue a more stable career, like becoming a doctor. I understand your concerns, but I must say, your child has a unique gift. Their artwork is truly remarkable.
We want what's best for our child's future, and we believe a career in medicine offers more security and stability.
I see where you're coming from, but forcing them into a career they're not passionate about could lead to unhappiness.
Mom, Dad, I understand your worries, but art is my passion. I want to pursue it as a career.
We just want you to have a secure future, sweetheart.
I appreciate that, but I believe I can make a successful career out of my art. Please trust me to follow my dreams.
We will support you, but we also want you to have a backup plan. How about we compromise and explore art alongside a more traditional career path?
That sounds fair. Thank you for understanding, Mom and Dad.
It's wonderful to see such supportive parents. I'm sure whatever path your child chooses, they will excel.
बच्चे काबिल बनो काबिल कामयाबी झक मार के पीछे भागेगी एवरी चाइल्ड इज स्पेशल
You are the sun, radiate light. You are the river, don't you know? Flow on, fly high. You will find your purpose where you find your happiness.